Oh, there you are. Glad to see you again. Did you know a single termite colony can consume up to 45.4 kg of wood in just a year? That's how destructive these tiny pests can be. Welcome to Interiors Ka Reply, where we bring you tips for healthy and safe interiors. I'm Nandita, and today we are talking about termite-safe plywood, your home's first line of defense against these destructive invaders. What is termite-safe plywood? Termite-safe plywood is treated with special protective compounds that make it unappealing or harmful to termites. Think of it as an invisible shield that protects your wood against these pesky pests. And when you choose trusted brands like Greenply, you're getting cutting-edge termite-resistant technology. What makes plywood termite safe? Here are the 4 key features that make plywood termite safe. Special treatment. Pressure treated with termite repellent chemicals. Greenply uses advanced techniques to ensure maximum protection. Natural protection. Contains substances that actively deter termites. Advanced technology. Metal particles in adhesives between layers act as an additional barrier. Long-term durability. Built to withstand termite attacks for years. With Greenply, durability meets reliability. Where should you use termite-safe plywood? Here are the 5 key areas where termite-safe plywood is essential. Foundation areas. Where wood meets the ground or concrete, Greenply's termite-safe plywood provides unparalleled protection. Structural elements. Beams and frames that bear weight. High-risk zones. Areas where moisture could attract termites. Storage spaces. Cabinets and storage units that are more likely to be infested. Quality construction projects for long-lasting protection against termites. Tips for choosing termite-safe plywood. Before you purchase, keep these tips in mind. Check the quality. Always ensure your plywood is properly certified. Greenply products come with certifications you can trust. Look for uniform treatment. It should have consistent protection. Verify warranty. A good warranty ensures long-term protection. Greenply also offers automated warranty for peace of mind. Why choose Greenply for termite-safe plywood? Greenply leads the way in termite protection with advanced treatment technology, cutting-edge methods for maximum defense, eco-friendly solutions, effective protection that's also kind to the environment, multi-layered protection, multiple chemical treatments for stronger resistance, long-lasting durability, protection that lasts for years. Greenply also offers automated warranty, certified quality assurance, trusted craftsmanship. That's it for today's episode of Interiors Ka Reply. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more. Next week, we are diving into first impressions when it comes to your home. That's right, we are telling you everything you need to know to pick the perfect doors for your space. Stay safe, stay healthy and explore Greenply's range of plywood, MDF, PVC, doors, veneers and more at www.greenply.com.